accurate forecast from the WATE 6 on your side storm team.
Well, happy Friday, everyone. I'm meteorologist Margot Altschuler. We're still weather aware this afternoon, and that storm system that was way far out west has finally made its approach in our area. Now, we are looking at a few rain showers present right now in East Tennessee. Some heavier rain showers located kind of near Jamestown, Scott County. We are expecting to see more rain and a little heavier showers later on this afternoon, and we're also expecting wind gusts to get even higher than they are right now. And believe it or not, they are getting higher. Right now, sitting at 75 miles an hour in Townsend, 72 in Tellico Plains, 57 in Maryville, 53 in Gatlinburg, and 22 in Knoxville, 59 in Jamestown. Yes, we are seeing wind gusts get a little bit higher for each of our areas here, getting close to at least 50 miles an hour overall in all of East Tennessee. So if you have any lightweight items, bring them inside, or else they're probably down the road at this point. Again, we're expecting to see 50-mile-an-hour winds or more throughout the entire area, maybe even 70-mile-an-hour winds or more in the Great Smoky Mountains. Some models were even hinting at close to 90 miles an hour for the very, very top peaks. So just be aware of that. With these winds, we can possibly see power outages, which I know we already have some power outages across the entire area here. So just know a few more can be possible due to the winds moving through. Now, this is a look at our wind gusts over the next hour. This is actually when we're expecting our peak wind gusts for the majority of us. We'll see about 41 miles per hour here in Knoxville, 42 in Maryville, 55 in Tellico Plains, 75 in Gatlinburg. Very, very windy. Again, make sure you have all your lightweight items inside. Highs today, we're expecting to be in the upper 50s, so quite warm, but we're still expecting to see that storm system move through, so you'll need that rain jacket handy. Again, we're right now hearing rain over us on the studio, and we're going to continue to watch rain push on through, heading on into the rest of this afternoon. Again, getting heavier as we head towards the afternoon. You can see the deep reds, and even behind this line of rain, behind this front, are gusty winds. Like I mentioned, getting gustier, getting windier, heading on into the rest of the afternoon, into the early evening. So just be aware of that. We have those wind advisories, those wind warnings until about 7 a.m. Saturday morning. So that's just what we're going to have to deal with. But luckily, we do expect to see winds dying down a tad bit compared to what we'll see around 2, 3 o'clock this afternoon. Again, prepare before the storms. Go ahead, have our weather app downloaded, get your handy dandy weather radio out, and as always, watch WATE 6. We'll have all the updates. Monday and Tuesday, that's another day we're all talking about because we're expecting to see the very fabulous snow make its first appearance here in the valley. Now, what's the setup? We're watching as some Arctic air makes its way from the north down towards our area, going to cause us to see frigid conditions, especially on Wednesday morning. Now, this is a look at what we're seeing for our next chance. That Arctic air arrives. We have some moisture present, not a ton, but it doesn't take a lot for the kind of snow we're expecting, and snow accumulation for some cannot be ruled out. Now, before the cold air arrives, make sure you're doing the following: removing, draining, and storing outdoor hoses. Consider insulating exposed pipes. Drip your faucets with cold water. Open up the kitchen and bathroom cabinets. That way they're able to get the warm air. And at least, on a minimum, put your heat on 55 degrees. Now, this is the amounts we're expecting. We're expecting a chance for at least an inch or more of snow. Have a medium chance kind of in the blue here, and a higher chance in the purple. So just be aware of that. We'll keep an eye, or we'll get more details closer to time, probably by this weekend. But right now, we're mostly focused on the rain and wind moving through today, which again is why we are weather aware. We will keep you updated throughout the rest of this afternoon, going on into this evening on social media. And we'll be right back here at 4 p.m. With Ken talking about the winds moving through. But again, make sure you're staying safe and make sure you have your notifications on. Lauren?
All right, Mark.